Sawadee Hello guys, welcome back to Thailand Expat Language School with Kupla. Today we are going to learn about how to use adjective in Thai. Are you ready? Let's get started. Well, adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns. For example, small, big, new, old, red, black, beautiful, something like that. And if you want to make the sentences in Thai, the noun comes before adjective. While in English, adjectives come before the noun it modifies. For example, the first one, if you want to say beautiful lady, in Thai you can say ผู้หญิงสวยผู้หญิงสวย Next, if you want to say wow, handsome guy, handsome man, you can say ผู้ชายหล่อผู้ชายหล่อ If you want to say big house, you can say บ้านหลังใหญ่บ้านหลังใหญ่ If you want to say small house, you can say บ้านหลังเล็กบ้านหลังเล็ก And the last one, if you want to say the new road is wide, you can say ถนนเส้นใหม่กว้างดีถนนเส้นใหม่กว้างดี How do you feel? Did you have fun learning Thai adjectives? I hope you enjoyed these lessons. See you next time. Bye.